Unlike other parts of the country, Halloween is still very much on in Alberta.
People have said that they're going to decorate a lot this year. They're going to go over the top just to celebrate. People are really, really excited about Halloween this year.
Business is up this year, she says. People are planning everything from small family parties to full-on trick-or-treating outings. That despite Alberta's active caseload being at an all-time high. So far, the only new public health measures have been recommendations. Now, a growing chorus of experts is encouraging Alberta to follow the lead of other provinces and increase mandatory restrictions similar to Ontario.
I'm very worried about not imposing restrictions and allowing the virus to continue unchecked. I think that it takes an emotional toll, a toll on the health, and an economic toll if we don't take stronger action.
In Alberta, there's this emphasis on individual liberties, which really in the midst of a pandemic, there has to be a little bit of sacrifice.
Alberta admits its growing caseload has put it into the danger zone, but it hasn't quite hit the threshold of hospitalizations and ICU cases to start adding mandatory restrictions beyond what's already in place.
There's always risks and benefits. If we were to put in place mandatory measures right now, we would be putting them in place before we knew if we were able to turn that tide without the mandatory measures.
Instead, Alberta will stop testing people without symptoms and known exposure to COVID-19 to concentrate more time and resources on those most likely to be contagious. Carolyn Dunn, CBC News, Calgary.